Yet another front clip brought to you by Jared at Weber Brothers. Today is a 2021 Audi A5 S-Line. This has now been cleaned up, inspected, checked over and over, and slated to be picked up a little bit later this week. Very clean front. You'll notice it's still a little wet in the videos. That's because, again, we just washed it. We're looking for paint scratches and dings and dents and anything else we think we should tell you about. This one, the dash is still in it. Not sure why. I'm guessing there was a cut or something on it. We rarely leave dashes in vehicles. Very nice front overall. Again, I try to describe as best I can so you don't show up and get a surprise. This one's on the pallet, is strapped down, but customer's hoping he could pick it up with a pickup truck. Does not fit in the bed of a pickup truck, unfortunately. We'll get you under the hood here in a second. Under the hood, like normal. Again, you'll see it's wet. We go over everything. Rad condenser fans. All the turbo plumbing is here, so intercoolers. Wiring harness, of course you see the headlights. In the bag is the splash shields. Any other miscellaneous pieces of the airbox as well. Insulation's still intact. If we find anything as far as it being aftermarket, repaint, anything like that, we will tell you. Again, I'm not trying to hide anything from anybody. A lot of money, a lot of time invested on both sides, so we want to get it right for you. If you have any questions or are looking for a front end in particular, give me a call. 800-222-2528. My direct extension is 112. You can also find me on all the social internet sites, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Just look up Jared Weber Bros. Thanks for watching.